Welcome back to the channel. So in today's episode, we're going to try and get the gas tank mocked up, get all these like 1 3/4 body spacers off. Got to cut those off, throw the body back on, and see how much room we got for the gas tank on here, because we got to get the got to do some fall maintenance on the cars, get the cars in here and get the winter tires put on the both vehicles. So we got 8 tires to rotate today, and got a pretty steep driveway, so I can't really do it in the driveway. So I need to get the cars in the garage. So got to put the body back on the Jeep, and need to do that anyways to confirm that the gas tank goes in and out smoothly with the body on. I don't want to go through this of tearing off the whole body. And what I thought was, this is the worst part about this, is I thought, oh, if I get the body off, is this going to come off? Because I had the bumper, the cross member on there, the trailer hitch, everything was on the Jeep. And so I got down to the body, and the bumper was still on, and the trailer hitch was on, so I had to pull the trailer hitch on, and that got the gas tank a little bit looser. Then I got had to get the bumper off, because it still wouldn't come off. And the gas tank still would not come out. And then got it down to the cross member, had to cut the cross member back off, and it still wouldn't come out because these lips here, right here, are hitting, and so it was still pinching up here at a 45-degree angle. So I had to cut more stuff off the gas tank to finally, even at a 45-degree angle, pull out the gas tank and come out like this, because it wouldn't go down because of the way we put it in there when the body was off. So now this gas tank should go on. So if the body's on there, it should be able to. So it should be able to go up like that and get mounted up. So that's the plan for the day. Get the gas tank in, get that mocked up for install, and then design up a rock guard for the gas tank. So that's the plan today. I'm gonna get these cut off, get the clean up the garage, take the roll cage off, then put the body on. So on the cherry picker, I had to get some flat bar and bend it, and then weld it on here to put a safety pin on the ram, because I guess my dad was lifting something up, and a bolt broke and it bounced, and the ram fell down, and then this fell down and broke an engine part that he was lifting. So he goes, do this first. I went and got a welder and welded this up and got that going. Got a new Yes welder. It's like a 5-in-1, the MCT 520. So I got this all set up. Just got flux core in it right now, like 0.30. So haven't got everything for it yet. And I got the plug. I got a 230-volt plug in there, so that's ready to go. And so got the ram all done, secured into the cherry picker. And so now we can get these cut off and get the body back on the Jeep, and gotta do some winter tires on the all the cars for going skiing and stuff like that this winter. So I got the all the blocks off the body now, so trying to get the body level with the frame and everything so we don't have this huge space underneath there. Try and get it lowered back down and do the rest with this, the leaf springs and stuff like that underneath, and maybe trimming out body panels and stuff like that to get the lower center of gravity instead of having like this, like a 2.5-inch Rancho lift from the 80s, and then I did like an 1.75-inch body spacers on there. So I'm gonna go back down with the body, back flush the frame with this the regular body mounts, and see what I got for space on that rear gas tank over here. But my next question for you guys out there is, so this is the original dash out of my cj5, obviously /5 right here now that we got going on here. But can you guys find a dash for 74? I cannot find it, so I got my new welder over there, so now I'm contemplating on, getting a new cover, which is like $50 or whatever, and then, just throwing new sheet metal in here and welding this thing back up, because this is stock right here, so I kind of like to keep it because I can't find anything on the internet. I don't know if you guys can find it. I'm thinking about either, bending this, maybe bending a new piece and breaking it, and then drilling out new stuff and stuff like that, or should I just weld this up, patch all the holes, weld it, sand it, and then repaint it or whatever. Take a screwdriver down the hole. That one's on. Got that one. It goes through now. Shifts. Body's back on. I think I was pretty maxed out on this RAM too. But I got the Jeep on the caster, so it could be even like 5 inches lower over here. I guess I could have done. That might have I have to lift it as high. Well, got some body work to do too. So this is about the only bad part on the body is right here. The other side's fine. So I just got to do a little patch panel here, do some cleanup, but then do a bunch of stuff closed on the body. But let's see if that gas tank fits. By the way. Well, it's the next day. Didn't quite make it to getting it in, but so this gas tank still doesn't fit, and this thing was rusted out and back in the 80s. So we put some L plate on here. I don't know if you can see on both sides. We got some L plate. Got some L plate right here, and so this thing still hits up here on this L plate. So I'm going to have to try and cut this out to try and see if this will fit down there. I do got like the stock bushings set up to go back on, so we got that much more height on it. So we'll see if cutting this out will do it. Because I don't remember. I'm sure there was a stock gas tank in there when we got it, but I don't remember pulling it out. I just remember putting the new one in. So we'll see if this gives us our room back here, and then put the cross member on and see how she fits in between it. Well, I got this hole cut out up in there, so I should have a little bit more room. Okay, so I'm down. I'm down on the pads now. And now I got enough room for the tank now. Well, I think we're good to go. Just gotta mount some, make some brackets. And then I'll have to build a tank skid protector for it. So now, after like a month and a half of pulling off the body, the roll cage body, putting it over here, and then having to take the frame all the way down, take the this cross member out, taking off the bumper out, taking out the trailer hitch, and then had to cut some of the gas tank to get the gas tank out. Now the gas tank goes in and comes out with the body on. We'll check to see. The only other thing will be to do is to put in the cross member, confirm that it comes out, but this is behind it. So it should go in and out without taking anything off now. So never doing that again. Don't ever do a custom gas tank with the body off. Make sure the body is on if you're gonna do a custom gas tank, and make sure it fits with everything on. Because I think I started a month and a half ago trying to get the gas tank out. So now I gotta cut this up and go from there. Let's see if this cross member fits now. Oh yeah, I got plenty of room now. Don't ever want to do that again. Hell, now that's gotta design the mounts and do a skid plate for the gas tank. Next on the to-do list. Well, that's it for this one. See you guys on the next one.